Alright, today what I'm going to make is stuffed clams. I was just in the mood for it. I haven't done it in a long time. Of course, I don't have any fresh clams, so I'm just going to use 1 can of minced clams and then 1 can of chopped clams. And I've done them before like that, and they're good. They're not as good as fresh, fresh clams, but they're still good. So I'm going to put a scallion instead of an onion. And I'm going to actually do something I rarely do. And that is, I peeled some green bell pepper the other day. And I'm actually going to use a piece. And I rarely use bell peppers because I don't like them. I've done these before when I made seafood salad, and I had quite a bit left over. I've actually stuffed clam shells. If you don't have clam shells, you could use little ramekins or something like that, but I've actually stuffed clam shells and put it in the oven or in the toaster oven, and it's actually really good. And then a little bit of garlic. I'm just going to use two kind of medium-sized cloves, which is quite a bit for this small amount of what I'm going to make, but I like garlic. All right, here's the cans of clams. And I saved the juice. I drained them out and I saved the juice. I got it in a bowl over there. That's what I'm going to add to it after I add the breadcrumbs. But I wanted to add a little bit of olive oil first. And these are, of course, are homemade breadcrumbs. These ones are plain. Need just a little more. And then a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Just use it all. And a little bit of, well, this is a brand new one. I wonder if I got a open one. Not too much oil. Oh, and a little bit of lemon juice. And of course, if you have fresh lemons in the fridge, squeeze in a fresh lemon. It's better than bottled. That was a little bit of Tabasco. So here is the juice that came out of the clams. And I'll add a little at a time, because I don't want this too wet. But I want it moist enough so it'll stick in the shells. And then whatever's left over I'll save. I'll either freeze it, or I've been wanting to make some fish soup. I've been feeling like having it lately, and I got to get to the store and get some ingredients for it. I just haven't done it. All right, this is pretty good. It smells really good. but you could see the consistency now. See, so when I put that in, I'll be able to smooth over the top, and then when they bake, they'll get a little crust on them. Okay. I have some scallop shells in here. I think I'll use those because they're big. So you just butter the inside of the shell. And it makes cleanup a whole lot easier, and it gives it a little bit of richness. And there's one. All right. There is that. 4 of them. And I'm just going to put these in the toaster oven instead of firing up the oven for just 4 of these things. It'll be just as easy to do in the toaster oven. All right, the clams are done, and I have some asparagus that I made, and there they are. And they smell real good. I want to put a little more Tabasco on there. And let's give it a try. Shells are hot. It's really good. Actually, it doesn't need anything. A little more butter would have made them a little richer, or maybe a little more olive oil. But really and truly, they're good if you like stuffed clams. But anyway, for canned clams, it's pretty good. It's good. Give it a try. I'm going to go eat.